how to keep yourself motivated throughout the year when you are preparing for such a big examination. Thank you. I welcome UPSC aspirants on the Plutus platform. Myself, Dr. Hardeep Singh. I am PhD in agriculture. I am a retired IAS officer from Haryana, Cadre. So today I have been asked to attend few queries of the aspirants, and we have taken up 4 queries from the students. One is how to keep yourself motivated throughout the year. Then few of the students, they are asking that sometimes they go in a state of depression. So how to overcome that? The third query is how to stay focused while studying and during the preparation of the examination. The fourth is, should we prepare and cover the full syllabus given by the UPSC? So these are the 4 queries which we will attend today. Let us take the first one. The question is, how to keep yourself motivated throughout the year when you are preparing for such a big examination like civil services, which is the most coveted examination. The one thing generally we observe that during the examination and near the examination, students, they feel stressed and they fall sick. To overcome it, they must concentrate on their diet. There should be a balanced and healthy diet. They must concentrate on the physical exercises, some exercise every day, at least half an hour walk a day, or some push-up or some other type of the yogic exercises, that type of the putting stress on the body, on the physical stress, I mean to say. So this is the one way to keep yourself fit and healthy throughout the year. This will save your time, and this will keep you motivated throughout the year. The other way is keep appearing for the mock test to assess your progress. So whenever you get an opportunity, you must appear in the mock test to know your whether you are on the good progress or not, just to have the assessment. And the third way is to know your track. You keep appearing in the examinations, other like examinations also, just to know whether you are on the right track as far as your approach is concerned. So this is the way to keep yourself motivated throughout the year. The other query is students generally they find themselves in a state of depression if they fail. So this is generally we observe, and to overcome it, one should know that success is a journey. It is journey. Let us take it like a journey. It's a flowing water. So do not take it as a destination. Simultaneously you stay focused and believe in your capability and believe in your ability. So this is the way that you can overcome the depression. Simultaneously you also develop one practice of visualizing the success. How? You just imagine and remove the negative thoughts. You keep on adding the positive thoughts of yours, and just remove the negative thoughts. Enhance the affirmative talking. Do a practice of affirmative talking and keep encouraging yourself throughout. So in this way, if you visualize a success, definitely this will help you, and this will save you from the depressive state. The third query is how to stay focused. This is very important. Without focus, you cannot get the success, and this is important, particularly those who are appearing in a year or in the following months. For them it is very important. For this it is necessary that syllabus is very vast, so you break it into pieces and cover them one by one. All the topics should be covered one by one, and keep preparing throughout your tips, and keep these notes ready in your hand. Keep them revising. This is also necessary that you should develop a habit of discussion and topic wise discussion. There should be a focused discussion with your friends, those who are appearing like you for the examination, like civil services and like examination. So keep on discussing with them whenever you get an opportunity. You may also attend some webinars on these important topics. So this is the way to remain focused throughout the year. Then the other query is, should we prepare and cover full syllabus? Oh yes, you cannot skip any of the topic. However, you can break the syllabus into very important and important. Do good research on the topics which you think that they are the very important and they are likely to come in the examination, and time and again examiner is touching them in a year or in the following year or on the alternate years. So these are very important topics. Do a good research on them, and for rest of the topics you can allot and allocate little time comparatively, but you have to cover the whole syllabus. So thank you so much. These are the 4 queries which we attended today. Thank you so much, and I wish good luck to all the aspirants who are appearing this year and the following year.